In this video, we will show you how you can add fixed costs, resource costs based on material rates, and cost type. On the Schedule tab, click Cost and Income. The Cost and Income section allow you to model non-time dependent costs or income. For example, a one-time cost for filing building plans with the City Planning Department. Whether it takes 1 week, 2 weeks, or longer, it will not affect the cost for filing. To add fixed costs to a specified activity, enter in the cost in the cost cell for your chosen selection. To define income for a specified activity, repeat this step but enter in the expected income in the income cell for your chosen selection. You can define the accrual method as prorated, start, or finish for both cost and income. Resource rates are used to model time-dependent costs and are defined as costs per unit of time. This rate will typically be calculated in dollars per hour. The longer an activity takes, the more it will cost. To add a resource rate, open the Resources view. Select the work type and input a rate, for example, $100 per hour. When you assign the resource to an activity, the rate will be used to calculate its cost. You can assign material costs in the same way. Select material type and add a rate or a cost per use. For example, $100 per use. When you assign the resource to an activity, the rate will be used to calculate its cost. Cost per use is a flat cost, which will be assigned to the activity.